Okay, welcome. Let's hit the nail on the head. Okay, based on our post analysis, I was looking for sales below here, but price did what it did. Okay, as you could see, you see how these buys are moving. See how they were moving. You will see that this is clear weakness in the buyers. It's just like it was in this kind of bullish channel, here, just didn't know what to do. Unlike where you have this clear structure here, where price is making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, it's different from this bullish channel. For today, what I'm looking at is if we get a bullish breach above, I'm anticipating buys to go up. For the sales, perhaps if we get a bearish close, then I'll be anticipating price to dip further. But I'm not just going to take any buys or sells because the market is quite shy this period. So what I'm just going to do is I'll see what is going to print out. But overall, I'm looking at a kind of market structure that goes this way because if you look at it very well, we are in we are in this we are still in the overall sellers territory because on the 4 hours, this is the guy that started the sales. On the daily, this is the guy that started the sales. Okay, so this is the 4 hours supply zone. This is the daily supply zone. So we are in this daily supply zone. In fact, the very supply zone of the daily. But because of this clean traffic here, that is why you're seeing price do this bullish rally. And as you could see, this is just normal. Anyone could have expected price to retest the high because if you gauge the momentum of the buyers versus the sellers, you see that the sellers were showing clear weakness in an area where they should be strong. It's just like you're playing home and you're showing clear weakness from those who are playing away in the football terminology. I'm just giving an analogy using football. So if I were to be trading Asian, this is the kind of setup I like. Taking buys, okay, taking buys, stop loss below the structure, then anticipate price to do what? Rally. At least give me my TP here. So at the moment, if we get a bullish close above and it breaks the high, I'm anticipating it to mirror this clean traffic to the left. Okay, this clean traffic to the left. Let's see what we're going to get here. But don't forget on Monday, price did similar thing but failed to break the high and instead continued dipping. So let's see what price is going to do today. I'm just going to wait for to see a clear price action before I take any buy or sell on GJ. I'm not going to rush anything. I'm not going to try to force any. In fact, with the experience in the market, you know that the market doesn't run anywhere. The market is just like someone you're married to. There is no leave, no transfer. Okay. Um, let's look at gold. For gold, yeah, price is gradually going into the area that I like. Okay. Which area is that? Doing a little post analysis. I was looking for a bearish candle close. I perpetrated this and you see it gave me my TP. Um, but since it's paper trading, I can't really go deep into that. I like giving details in what I took actually. So I'm still observing how price reacts if I was not in the trade and fundamental kicks in. What would occur? Okay, there is a clear bearish breach below this structure, which is assuming that this is support one, this is support two. We got double bottom, a break below here. I was anticipating it to retrace, then continue dipping, just like this bullish candle close below this zone. So I was anticipating the next candle to dip, but fundamentals only does one thing, confirm technicals. Okay, so if you look at it technically, this dip is a faker. It didn't really occur. This dip is just a faker. Okay, but the question is, because of the fundamentals, you can't really know how the market is going to drop. But this dip was just a faker. Okay, so what I'm looking at for here is, if we get a bearish candle close, I'm anticipating it to continue dipping at least to retest this low. Okay, to retest this low, or better still, what I'm looking at is, if we get a bullish, a break above here, I'm anticipating price to do what? Continue his bullish rally, at least to retest this high. So God has given us a clear price action. Now we just got to observe and see if we can grab or squeeze something out of it. Um, we're not going to rush anything. We'll just allow price action to play out. If you're new here, very important information, very, very important. If you're new here and you want to get more information on this, don't hesitate to subscribe. Hit that notification button after you subscribed, comment, then like. Tell me what you like to see next. If the video is quite complex for your understanding, you let me know so that I can see how to pace myself with a rhythm that is okay by you. And if it's still okay, I see some of your appreciative words. Thank you. So that is it for now. For the last but not the least is Bitcoin. Okay, so I even without turning over to Bitcoin, I could tell you that because of this price action is replicated on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has the kind of where the base currency in Bitcoin is Bitcoin, the counter currency is what? US dollar. Just the same thing with gold. So if gold did something like this, I'm anticipating Bitcoin to give a little rally as well. So this is it's not as if they're correlating pairs, but you could infer from what you were seeing on the other pair. So for based on inference, I'm looking at something like this, where price is playing a little ping pong. This is the base, this is the crest. Price retested the base. So let's see if price, after giving us this dip, if it breaks the high here, let's see if it's going to continue up to the top here again. But please, that does not mean that you should put buys and let it run to 60 something thousand dollars again. Price has not finished dipping yet. Okay, so let's see what the big boy is gonna do. I'm not gonna say price must continue dipping. I'm not I'm not the algorithm that makes price work. Okay, but when I look at it based on past price actions, I can infer or draw a reasonable um conclusion based on experience and based on the data I have, the data set. Okay, so what I'm looking at is buys above here, sells if we could get a bullish breach, a bearish breach to continue dipping. By the moment, buys look plausible. This is the dip, okay, and I'm looking for the rally to mirror this move, because as you can see, the market structure has changed from sellers to buyers. So let's see what the kind of damage will do on Bitcoin today. That is all for now. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Don't forget to comment and like. Peace.